Hello everyone, in today's video we'll focus on part 1 of cup and saucer shading from our coffee and cookies composition. So let's begin with the outline of the drawing. Start by drawing a small inner circle for the cup and a large outer circle for the saucer. Next add the inner rim of the cup and draw a simple handle on the right side. Now sketch an uneven square shape behind the cup to represent the napkin or a tissue. After that, draw 3 circles for the cookies and add small uneven shapes inside them to show some chocolate chips. Finally, draw the latte art design inside the cup, starting with a simple heart shape. Now we'll move to the shading of the cup. Since this is the top view, start shading from the rim of the cup. You have to use light strokes and slowly build the tones. Next, begin the shading the coffee area and the latte art area. Keep the center slightly light to create a contrast. And you have to smudge gently using a blending stump or a stencil for a smooth finish. See to it that you shade the darker color or the darker shade at the inner rim of the cup or along the rim of the cup. You can add a lighter shade inside the cup to represent the coffee. Now focus on the latte art design. Start with the heart shape and shade lightly. You have to gradually build around it. Some lines should be darker and some lighter. Follow the flow to create a realistic effect. You have to smudge slightly with the stencil or a stump to show that smoothness. Complete the whole latte art design step by step as shown in the video. Smudge everything to show a smooth effect. Make the top and bottom edges slightly darker and see to it that you blend everything smoothly. Next, we'll shade the handle of the cup. Since it's a top view, only a small portion is visible. Keep the edges darker and the center lighter. Then you have to smudge for smoothness. Now add a light shadow of the cup on the saucer. Keep it soft and subtle. Now moving to the saucer, draw its inner rim and start shading from the top. Blend smoothly and observe where the tones are darker. Smudge everything finely and smoothly using a stencil or a stump. You have to add a medium shading towards the top left area while keeping some parts light for the highlights. And you have to smudge everything smoothly. And finally darken the shadow under the cup on the saucer. So keep it darker near the cup and lighter as it moves away. So finally adjust the tones and outline and your cup and saucer shading is completed. That's it for part 1 of cup and saucer shading. In the next part we'll complete the remaining elements like cookies and the background. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you for watching.